Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to share you how to install the TNV.
This sharing divides into these 5 parts. I have put the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. Moreover, I also provide the correct subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. Copper Pi connection, branch Pi. Next is the Y branch. For this one, you can just use our Toso qualified Y branch. Like this one is fine. As for to how to select it, according to this table, this X is actually the downstream in dot unit summarized capacity. Just follow this table to select which type of the Y branch is okay. Besides, you also need to install the insulation on this copper tube. Otherwise, it will generate the condensing water, and this condensing water always will drip down, and then the customer will complain. Next is how to install this Y branch. You can choose to horizontal or vertical connection, and of course, horizontal is preferred. And for this one, from our service menu, our requirement is plus minus 15 degree. But if you can, please keep it to be completely horizontal, just like this. And of course, you can choose it to be vertical, but our requirement is all these 3 posts should be at the same vertical level, and also incline is definitely prohibited. And also, I will show you a video, and this is from Daikin to show you why we require this completely horizontal. And this video first is going to compare the two tubes with the water. First is in the horizontal. So in this case, you can find it. It is no difference. And when you tie 30 degree, you will find that the difference is a little bit, but not that much. But next is what make it to be completely horizontal. So you can find it. This is change a lot, right? So our conclusion is vertical. We will make it to be very back and with 30 degree, almost no change, but better to be completely horizontal. Next is the distance requirement to this Y branch. Just remember this 20 inch, which is before and after the Y branch, and also before and after the corner. You need to guarantee at least this straight pie, this straight pie, this straight pie, at least there is 20 inch. The purpose is we need to guarantee the refrigerant flow inside when it comes out or before enter the Y branch, it can be a less pressure resistance. And for this one, we can guarantee the refrigerant can divide more evenly in this Y branch. And just like this one, you can find it, there is at least 20 inches of this distance for the next Y branch. Next is to set the supporter for this Y branch. Here the distance, which is this 4 inch to here, and the 10 inch, 8 inch here is just for your reference. The point is we can set this supporter to avoid the crack, which is this one. You can find that here is the Y branch. Here is easily to crack due to the high stress strain by extended fixing distance, which means if this is too long without supporter, here will be easily to crack, which is the leakage.
And here is some examples for your reference. The first one, and if you connect it like this, that is enlarged too much. We just allow one size up for once. And this one, this is the branch pi. You can find it. This is too short, which means not enough, which is there's no half meter. And for this one, it's not horizontal, and for this for the upper side it can get less refrigerant. And for the last one, and the first is no horizontal, you can find the branch pi. And the other one is the overlapping, which means that the two pipes, the gas pipe and the liquid pipe, they are overlapping, and during the operation there are the vibration, and sooner or later maybe it will just make it to be crack.
That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question or any other suggestion, feel free to send me to my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access the sharing. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。